Welcome back to class 7th Science chapter Heat. Here in front of us, the mode of heat transfer. There are three modes that heat transfer from one point to another point, one place to another place. Those are conduction, convection, and radiation. Here the question says, describe in detail about the occurrence of oceanic currents. So what is the cause of oceanic currents? This is due to convection flow of heat. Since in fact when we are talking about the sun rays, because the earth rotating about its own axis, and it is made tilted about its orbiting plane. So due to this reason, the sun ray strikes normal to the equatorial line or equatorial plane, the portion where the seawater oceans are there near equator gets heated up quickly than that of the pole. So this makes the difference. The region where the heat is more delivered, the oceanic water absorbs this heat and expands. Okay. Similarly, the air around this region expands. So the air, when it is getting heated up, it expands and becomes lighter, and it rises up into the sky. But relatively, the colder region like polar caps and all, so the wind and the air, whatever, this region remains cold and heavy. It simply leads the flow of convection currents, because this is difference between the hot air and the cold air. The hot air rises up in the equatorial region, and the space to occupy these heavy and denser cold air from the regions of the polar caps moves towards the equatorial plane. So this way, these currents causes oceanic currents. And not only this, you heard about land breeze and sea breeze. So this is also due to this convection current of what he called heat, the heat transfer. Okay.